So what you can also do is you can go ahead and import out calendar inside of Thunderbird. So to do that, you need to go around over here under the event and task menu right here. And over here, you can see that import is an option. So if I were to go around and click this, then you can see that I can go ahead and continue to import out the calendar. So you can select an ICS format of calendar right here as you like, and then click on open. So once you do that, you can see all of the events right here just like this. And you can go around and uncheck and check the ones that you like. Let me just go around, press continue right here, and then I'm just going to go around over here and choose where I want to import the calendar. Let me just create a new calendar called sample weekly routine and click on continue and start the import. And it imported 77 items right here as you can see. And as I went onto this, I can simply go around and filter it out as well, just like this. And you can see that this is the calendar that you have right here. So show only sample weekly routine right here. And then what happens is that it only shows up the events in this particular calendar, as you can see right here, just like this. And that is how you can import out calendar that is in ICS format inside of Thunderbird. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.